So welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we're gonna make one of my favorite dishes of late. I only kind of got into it a couple of weeks ago, but it's Thai chicken thighs with a green mango salad, or as Trump would probably call it, Thai chicken thighs. But it's an amazing dish, and the end should pretty much look something like this. I'm gonna dip in, and hopefully you'll enjoy them as much as I do. Nice and crunchy skin, like it should be. Nice and spicy. Come along for the ride. So we'll start off with putting together the salad and the dressing for the salad. First of all, we start with some palm sugar. It will dissolve much easier if you kind of make scrapings like this. That should be enough. And we'll put a lime. I always like to have some nice lime juice in it. I'll just squeeze that in. I think it gives a bit of a fresher taste compared to lemons. And rolling them before you cut them helps with getting the juice out. So a little trick I learned along the way. So, and now we just have to get some fish sauce in there as well. I would say about a good 2 tablespoons. Then you mix until all the sugar dissolves. Once it all dissolves, you can take a small taste. Needs a little bit more palm sugar. Something like that. So now we added some more palm sugar. We'll mix it up again. Give it another taste. Nice and fresh. Now I have one of these. It's a red chili basically. I'm gonna cut it up, but I'm not gonna put it in yet because my daughter doesn't like spicy food. So I will add some of it for me and my wife, but for my daughter I will keep it without the chili. As you can see, I chop it up with the seeds to get some extra punch in it. Just get another small bowl for that. So put that to the side there. Now it's time to basically peel and grate the Thai mango, the green Thai mango. I'll just peel it quickly with a knife. It's not an exact science. I will probably cut forward until it's fully peeled, so you can join me again there. Like that, you don't have to watch this boring part of it. There we are. If you prefer, you can also use green papaya instead of green mango. But I personally prefer the mango. I'm not a big fan of this earthy taste of the papaya. So, like this. So, as you can see, this is pretty perfect. I'm just gonna add some herbs to it. Some of these, this is something in between chives and spring onions. So we'll cut that up as well quickly. Doesn't have to be too fine. About that much should be enough. Put it to the side, put that in. Take some of these. These are sweet Thai basil leaves that I rinsed before. I think we'll actually only need one of them. And these are, I don't really chop them, I kind of just slice them. Roughly slice them. It's a wonderful fresh aroma. As well. And now for some coriander. I like to use the roots as well for like, well, we can actually use some of the roots and put them in the sauce, in the dressing. Just chop it up finely. There's a lot of taste in the roots. Away. Now we can actually put them into the dressing, and for the rest we just chop it off roughly and put it into the green mango salad together with the sweet basil and the spring onions, Thai spring onions. So now what I'll do is to add some of the dressing. I will keep some of the dressing because I'm also making some nice grilled chicken with it, and it's nice to kind of have to put on top of the. And now we get our hands in, mix it up a bit, and then this can stand while we grill the chicken and kind of suck in the flavors. It should be a very nice and fresh salad. It's very nice. It's too bad you can't smell it, but this is what it looks like. So, and now we'll move on to the outside to grill the chicken. Now it's time for us to put the chicken thighs on the grill. I haven't done much to them over yet. It's you can see there. It's basically just some olive oil on them and some salt. That should be enough for now. So let's get them on the grill. They probably need about, well, somewhere 3 to 4 minutes on each side. But let's see when we turn them around. Since I'm filming everything myself, it's a bit difficult to turn the chicken and film at the same time. So I'll turn the chicken now after about 5 minutes and I'll show you the result. That's what I'm after. It's a nice grilling taste to it, nice blackness, but still not burnt. So this is what we want with our Thai chicken thighs. So we grilled the chicken, we prepared the green mango salad and the dressing, and this is the final plate of food that we have. So I'm looking forward to eating this now with my family. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.